Hi, I would like to share with you how are we going to make a secure booking for the Zoom meeting. First, when you schedule a meeting, you need to do is you put the topic of the meeting, and then there are a few things you have to check. That is, the first thing is the meeting password, and then this one is a default password. Of course, you can change to your own passwords, but you still can use the default passwords. And then the second thing is you must mute, and then you must enable the waiting room. So what it means enable waiting rooms, when you click this one, when the user they come in, they cannot join the meeting immediately. They are in the room, or means in a location where you can pull them inside the meeting room. Whereas let's say you check this one, it will enable the participant to join the meeting directly. So this should be unchecked. Okay, this should be unchecked. As host, normally you should start the meeting in advance before the participant join. So here is the screen that once you start the meeting, so there are a few things that you should be taking care of. First, when you click here, you can see all other participant listing will be listed here. Here is the waiting room. Okay, so when the new participant join, their name will be listed here. Later you'll be pull them inside the meeting. Notice here, this one is the user. The participant, they are going to join the meeting. So their name appear here. So it's your task as a host, you either allow them or you remove them. Okay, so to allow them, you just click this emit. And right here, see, so now they are joining the meeting. Notice that at the bottom there's one security icon here. So the best practice is when your meeting going on, the best is you must lock the meeting. So once you lock the meetings, it means there are no more people can join the meeting. And another security measure is, let's say you didn't allow the participant to share their screen, you uncheck this one so that they cannot simply share their screen. And if let's say you need them to share the screen only, then only you check this one. Then uncheck again. Another security feature is, let's say you found that this user is not supposed to join these meetings, then what you can do is you can click here and then you can remove, or you can put this participant back into the waiting room. See, now you can put back to the waiting room, or you can admit them again. And then to remove, you just click here and then you can remove it, and then okay. Okay, another features is you click on sharing and then you make sure that only one participant can share at a time, so that you don't allow multiple participants to share and it will make some confusing. Okay, there are some security features that I would like to share with you. Thank you.